Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Squarespace SEO checklist for 2026 detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up your Squarespace SEO checklist for 2026, begin by logging in to your Squarespace account. Navigate to the website you wish to optimize. Access the marketing menu from the left sidebar. Click on SEO to open the SEO settings for your site. Start with your site's title by entering it into the site title field. Ensure your site title accurately reflects your brand and includes relevant keywords. Next, focus on the site description section. Craft a concise and informative description that highlights your services or products while incorporating keywords. Then, move to the URL slug settings for each page. Use clear and descriptive slugs that represent the content of the page. Avoid lengthy or complex slugs to improve readability. Now, edit your page content to enhance on-page SEO. Use headings effectively, starting with H1 for titles and H2 for subheadings. Include relevant keywords naturally within your content. After optimizing content, check image SEO. Return to the Pages menu and select any page containing images. For each image, write descriptive file names and add alt text. This will help search engines understand the context of your images. Next, ensure you have a mobile-friendly design. Squarespace templates are typically responsive, but double-check your site's mobile performance. Use the preview mode to view how it appears on mobile devices. Now, set up social sharing. In the marketing menu, select social links. Add your social media accounts to improve visibility and engagement. Additionally, enable automatic posting of new content to your social channels. Moving on, create an XML sitemap. Squarespace automatically generates a sitemap for your site. To find it, append /sitemap.xml to your website URL. Submit this sitemap to Google Search Console to help with indexing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.